So hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to do balance on the bike. So this will be the full tutorial how to do it. It's nothing hard, but it takes some time to learn it. So let's go. So first step is going to be slow riding and trying to do handling with the handlebar left to the right. So that is going to give you option what balance looks when you're riding slow and what you need to do with the handlebar, also with your body. So let's go. So you get some feeling what the balance looks. Yeah, stop. Just slowly. Left, right, left, right. So that was the first step. I'm going to teach you the second one. So this one is going to be the standing circle. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So full turn to the left. Also I need to say, on the right it's more easy because it's more easy to have the control over the rear brake with your foot. I don't know why, but it's more easy. So that was the circle balance training. Do it more often and you will perfect this balance trick, or how you name it. So let's go next training now. So this is the next step. So what you need to do is to find small uphill. It's nothing special, so you need just small uphill. Then you make full turn with the handlebar to direction of the uphill, and you play with the clutch and with the throttle to make the balance. So if you start to go on the left, you need to use the clutch to get the bike on the back, so you also get back in the center of the balance. If you start to fall on the right side, you need to use throttle, release the clutch to make you again in the balance. So I'm going to show you. Also the balance is important with your body, but the bike power is helping you. So let's go. You see, it's not easy because you also need to play with the clutch, but from time you get used to this. So yeah, that was the uphill training. It's not easy because also you need good clutch control, but yeah, it's also helping you to master the balance. It's more easy with this than to do the balance on the flat ground. So also the next step, what is going to help you to master the balance, it's to find some like rock or wall and hit it with the front wheel, and with that you also play with the clutch and brakes to get the balance, but that balance is more to the left and to the right, and clutch and throttle just to keep you hit on the wall, and it's making the balance more easy. So this is the rock. you need to hit it straight. If you don't hit it straight, the balance is not going to be really easy. You see, it's really easy, but this technique is burning the clutch. So when you hit it with the wheel, clutch it to get the pressure on the wall or the rock. After that you can use front brake, also the rear one, to keep the bike pressured on the wall, and then you can use the clutch, so you save the clutch plates from burning. So yeah, and you see, it's not that hard, but it's giving you that feeling how to do the balance, and that is very important to make your progress in the balance. So with this you get that feeling where the balance is when you're standing, and it's more easy than to do the balance on the flat ground. So again, use the clutch. But yeah, this is the cheating training, but it's helping you to master the balance training. So the next step is to make burnout, to make the hole under the rear wheel. That is giving the support for the tires, left side and the right side, to make the balance more easy. And so you get some feeling what is the balance. And it's more easy when the handlebar is full to the left or full to the right. So I'm going to turn it to the full to the right, so you can feel the balance. So the next step is to lifting the foot in the air, left and right, and you get some feeling for the balance, and try to play with your body. So then you can put your foot on foot pegs and try to stand up. So you get that feeling how it's to stand on the bike and having the perfect balance. So I have problem, I look on the fender, but that's not correct. You need to look up, so you see the terrain where you need to ride. So also put your fingers on the foot pegs and don't put the foot on the foot pegs. So put just the fingers, so you have more balance and more control over your body, and try it. So you can also try the no hands like this to get the feeling with your body what you need to do. And it's nice starting way to learn the balance. And yeah, this step, it's easy, it takes some time to learn it. So now I'm going to show you why you need the balance. So both foot on the foot pegs, and then you hit the step. And you see, it's more easy when you have some balance, and then you hit it with both foot on the foot pegs. It's giving you like jump on the rock. So just training the balance and you're going to be master. So guys, this is the finish of this balance video. I hope it's going to help you in the training. So good balance is important for hard enduro. It's going to help you to go over rocks, logs and everything else, and it's giving you like good bike control. So thank you very much for watching this video. To the next time.